Hello, today we will attempt to recreate this design. The keyword is attempt smiley face. Okay, starting off pretty strong. My phone's flashlight turned off because of overheating, but it's okay. At this point, my makeshift tripod had fallen on me at least twice, but yeah, girl is a fighter. And of course my storage is full. Here's the final product. What do you think?